their dark chocolate caramel. What happened?
Leah want all of the candy. Are you stealing candy? We already have candy at the register. You want to show the camera? London, let's see this. Let's show them this candy. Come here. I seen the pancake and egg candy.
What?
Yo, so we made it into this candy store, y'all. And we found some of the best gummy candy that we ever seen before. What's that? Cocoa Sour Belts?
This candy.
Oh, Cola Sour Belts. Mango. Yeah, like we definitely gotta come cash out. The lunch bags. Imagine taking this to school for your lunch bag. London, look, the gummy fries. Look, and it includes candy ketchup packet.
Oh my God!
Look, gummy.
Remember we did the giant versus tiny gummy bear challenge? We had a gummy bear that size. Oh, it came just like this when we did the challenge. If y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all click the video that's up there on the screen now. Oh, the gummy noodles. Okay.
Daddy, look. Gummy sushi.
Gummy sushi. Do you think you like sushi?
Daddy, gummy eyeball.
Ew!
Uh-oh. These the eyeballs you was talking about.
I think I want some.
The eyeballs?
I'm so sad. Let me ask Mommy till we get it.
You really want the eyeballs? What kind of candy did she get you?
Please, can we get it if you ask Mommy, please?
The gummy eyeballs?
Yes,
So London wanted the gummy eyeballs. Come on, let's go ahead and get it.
let's ask.
They have a fruity liquid center, Lon. Look at the giant gummy bear.
It's gonna be for. I'm not gonna eat it all by because it's unhealthy.
Is that a peak? Oh look, I think it's like a marshmallow lollipop. They look just like SpongeBob house.
Wait a minute. And yeah, it also has gummies.
Gummies.
It looks like Beeps a little bit, but it's gummy.
Oh, look at these little cakes, Lon. Look like the Rice Krispie treat cakes or something. Oh yeah, it's the Rice Krispie treats with the pretzels in the middle. The Oreo, oh yeah.
Yeah, and the marshmallow cereal and this.
What kind is this? So this is the s'mores. The s'mores might be good. London, I think the s'mores might be good. Yeah. That's what she want. Come on, give it to the lady. Let's get Chucky, the bride of Chucky, and put it in the house. You want it? Huh? I could put it in your room. And she got the pretty dress on. You don't think that would be cool? You want it? Let's go get it. Come on. So Leah has been running the show today. You like the Hello Kitty? Is it pretty? Which one you like the most? Okay. She's bad. Out of all of them, that's the one she like the most. You're gonna be lit, Lay. Let's go. Bye-bye.